हे गाइस, क्लिशे आयरन में आप सबका फिर से स्वागत है। आज है गुड़ी पड़वा एंड इट्स लाइक अ वेरी स्पेशल फेस्टिवल जो हम पूरे महाराष्ट्र में सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। तो आज मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना बहुत सारा भगवान के लिए भोग बनाया जाए। या तो मैंने तो इतनी सारी महाराष्ट्रियन डिशेस कभी बनाई नहीं है, ना ही मैंने बहुत ट्राई की है। इनफैक्ट मैंने फर्स्ट पूरन पोली शायद 1-2 साल पहले खाई थी। या दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैड पूरन पोली। स्कूल में शायद नहीं, स्कूल में नहीं। या और फिर मैंने बनाने की कोशिश भी की थी समथिंग, उसके बाद ही खाने के बाद लाइक आई वांटेड टू ट्राई मेकिंग पूरन पोली। सो टुडे ऑन माई लिस्ट आर फ्यू थिंग्स विच आर टेंटेटिव। बन भी सकता है, ऐड हो सकता है, सब्ट्रैक्ट मोस्टली नहीं होता है, ऐड ही होता है बिकॉज आई लव कुकिंग। आई एम मे बी नॉट गुड एट इट बट मुझे तो बनाना पसंद है खाना। तो मैंने डिसाइड किया कि सबसे पहले मोस्ट एसेंशियल मराठी एसेंशियल राइट पूरण पोळी। एंड व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट, वरण भात, then आमटी dal. I am thinking to go a little wild today and I am going to make ukdiche modak for the very first time. Yeah, I have no idea how this is gonna go, if it's gonna go good, it's gonna go bad. बहुत chaos होने वाला है बट ठीक है, बना लेंगे। साथ में हाँ, मैंने चने भिगो के रखे थे कल, तो मे बी शायद टमाटो की प्यूरी के अंदर चने का सब्जी समथिंग, और चना दाल, तो दाल, येलो दाल। आई एम स्टिल सो कन्फ्यूज विद दीज दाल्स। इफ आई सी देम आई नो कि ये दाल ये चीज़ में जाएगी, ये चीज़ इससे बनती है, बट वो दाल को बोलते क्या है, आई कीप फॉरगेटिंग। तो जिससे चना दाल यस, चना दाल भिगो के रख दी थी कल। बट द थिंग इज आई हैव नो वेजिटेबल्स, आई हैव मसालास ख़त्म हो गए हैं बहुत सारे, जीरा नहीं है या आटा नहीं है मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट। सो आई हैव टू बाय राइस फ्लावर, नॉर्मल फ्लावर, मे बी मसाले, जीरा, वेजिटेबल्स तो कुछ भी नहीं है, लाइक लिटरली नथिंग। आलू नहीं है, टमाटर नहीं है, बनेगा कैसे? तो आज का वीडियो इज बेसिकली कुक विथ मी फॉर गुड़ी पड़वा एंड ऑल्सो शॉप विथ मी फॉर गुड़ी पड़वा। या सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट, लेट्स गो। खाना बनाना तो है बट उसके लिए सबसे एसेंशियल होता है कि तुम्हें पहले पता हो कि तुम्हें खरीदना क्या है। सो आई विल बी पेनिंग अ फ्यू थिंग्स डाउन कि क्या खरीदना है, क्या डीमार्ट जाओगा फिर सामान छूटना नहीं चाहिए। ऑल्सो टू बाय मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स, मिल्क चाहिए, शायद दही लगेगा, घी नहीं है बिकॉज कम ऑन, पूरन पोड़ी वरण भात विदाउट घी, not that I've tasted but I've heard. And पूरन पोड़ी with maybe something like sweetened milk जो दूध के साथ खाते हैं, मैंने सुना है। तो वो तो चाहिए ना, तो उसकी लिस्ट बनानी पड़ेगी पहले, और फिर धीरे धीरे करके एक एक जगह पे एक एक चीज़ें खरीदेंगे। या लेट्स गो। तो ये तो मेरी लिस्ट रेडी हो गई है। आई एम प्रिटी श्योर हमेशा की तरह कुछ तो भी मिसिंग होगा ही। वेजेस मैंने सारी नहीं लिखी, वो जो पसंद आएगी, यू नो। सो आई एम फाइनली हियर एट डीमार्ट। आई हैव ऑल्सो डन ऑल ऑफ दिस शॉपिंग बट जस्ट टेकिंग द फाइनल लुक्स। I'll show you what all I got. This is all I got. Everything's on the list. I'm not sure about the coconut. Asked one of the ladies over here about kokum and she was like, is this kokum? Kokum. So I'm like, no. She was completely unaware about what kokum is, so I have no idea that. Now I think I'll have to buy kokum from somewhere else. Also, they also don't have regular flour. It's out of stock. So maybe I'll buy one of these huge, but I don't think so. Yeah. Okay. For ukdiche modak, do you use dry coconut or fresh coconut? I have no idea. And kokum, I wasn't able to find anywhere. Like, I'm in the D-Mart, but if it's not here, then where am I supposed to find it? This is my favorite aisle, Maggie and all. Pasta. I did take pasta also, I don't know why. Yeah, so the shopping is done. Let's see what can we take now. Yeah. God, यहाँ पे जो धूप है भाई साहब, बैग ले लिया, टोटल करवा दिया. अभी इस ट्रॉली को फिर से रखने जा रहा हूँ. My God, just look at the dhoop. Kept everything on my gaadi. And now we'll go home and start cooking. Let's go. Finally, after carrying 5 kgs worth of load, I'm home and I don't know why this girl is not opening the door. You're my girl. This person who I call a friend. So finally I came home from D-Mart. This is all my samagri over here. And so I have this very nice app called Durban Delab. You get the reference. And from there I asked for somebody for help. And then it was too costly. So I was like, free labor. Excuse me, free labor, could you please?
Hi guys.
So this is our very dear friend Dhara. We go to the university together and she's always helped me and she's been very helpful. Today is Gudi Padwa.
Cheti Chand.
Oh, yeah.
Year of Marathis and
Sindhis. Yeah. I think the date is colliding today because Cheti Chand means Chand, so it means 2, but Padwa means 1. Yeah. Anyway, so Dhara is going to cook the
Modak.
because she's not able to say. Would you like to try?
Udichi, something.
Ukdiche modak.
Ukdiche.
At this point, I am also not sure if I am pronouncing it right. Ukdiche modak.
Yes, Ukdiche Modak.
Yeah.
And
then.
we have this.
Oh, no branding. It's not from D-Mart.
This.
Krutika ka aata.
This.
Sorry. Aata. Dhara aata.
This.
Good.
Good. And
Soya sticks because we'll be. It's fine. Nobody's going to sponsor us as this. Okay, so now we'll start.
where is the rice flour?
We need some. Dhara brought lunch for me.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
oh my god. We'll be discussing, like, there'll be a whole string
And my
of episodes
mother
on that.
did all this
Yeah, we'll
stuff.
discuss that in full length. So now let's get cooking.
We don't have ghee. So Modak.
No.
Are we gonna make oil Modak?
No. So the thing was that we were supposed to buy milk products from.
Srinath ji.
Ji,
Okay.
yeah.
Let's go Srinath ji then. See you guys.
So guys, we are back with cow's milk. Ghee is skeptical if cows or buffaloes are mixed.
Ow.
Cow because it's yellow, right? So ideally, you know that?
We can put haldi also.
Ideally, that's why I use the word ideally. Okay. Oh, can you look at the gas?
Oh, come.
There are no, what do you call it? No, what do you call it? Yeah. These were missing because I put them for cleaning. They have become dry and now we are going to use them. So now first what we are going to do is, I think first I'll adjust the camera a little. Yeah, I think that's
I
fine.
am going to make ukdiche modak
But when? That's a question to be raised.
after 2 minutes.
Okay. So first thing what I'm gonna do right now is So in the Adivas, that is 1 day back, I had already got the dal, what do you call it, soaked. I have to throw away the excess water.
Alice, do you have something?
You need to
I need
whisper
to
it.
pour it.
Oh no. Arey, yeah, I think it was made for that. Can you open this?
No. This?
No, this.
This? Okay, then.
So right now we have the dal and this
Oh,
dal.
that one.
And now these dal, as you can see, it's the chana dal, nicely soaked. Now I'll pressure cook it till it becomes very mushy. Excuse me, till it becomes very mushy, and then I'll put jaggery in it, and then we'll make basically the puran of the puran puri. Yeah, see. So we were in a condition, a situation rather, we were thinking if we should eat the coating in our diet or rather we should be eating aluminum in our diet. So we have decided to eat aluminum. So we'll be cooking in aluminum today. So now I have taken the tur dal and now I'll be putting a lot of jaggery in this and then we'll be cooking it down. But first what I'm gonna do is first I'll just put water and like pressure cook it to make it soft and then I'll put the jaggery.
Looks worthy.
So now I have taken the bowl.
Taken,
And
I have taken.
I'll take some another bowl
Okay.
and in that bowl I'll take these kokum pieces, dry kokum pieces and I'll put them in the water
Yeah.
to make the dal. And I forgot the name of that dal.
Tur dal.
No. It's called something else in Marathi. It's in my introductory video. You all can go back a few minutes and maybe see it.
No.
So now we are finally making ugadiche modak. Dhara is making. So we have to pour this ghee into this. So what did Dhara suggest? Since we are cooking in this pan, so why not put the pan here and this here and then pour. So if it goes out, अगर बाहर गिरे तो भी अंदर ही गिरेगा, राइट? ये पीएचडी करेंगे.
I'm going to industry for money. मैं किसी का हित नहीं चाहती.
क्या नहीं चाहती?
हित. मैं मेरा हित चाहती हूँ.
हित.
पैसे. ताकि मैं रोज खाना बना सकूँ.
That's enough.
So we are making ugadiche modak.
हिंदी.
तो हम ये वाले पैन में थोड़ा सा घी डालेंगे. उसके अंदर हम लोग डालेंगे कोकोनट का छीन एंड गुड़ और हमें थोड़ा सा पाउडर बनाना पड़ेगा इलायची का, खांड में.
तो धरा ने घी डाल दिया है और घी के साथ इसमें डेसिकेटेड कोकोनट भी डाल दिया है.
हिंदी में बोल. बोल बोल हिंदी में.
मैं हिंदी में ही बोल रहा हूँ.
कोकोनट.
नारियल की छीन डाल दी है धरा ने. जल जल जाएगा. वो जल जाएगा.
नहीं चलेगा. फ्लेम जोईते. फ्लेम भी तो दीदी से.
मैं यहाँ पे तूर दाल धोल रहा हूँ टू मेक आमटीची दाल एंड व्हाट इज द अदर वेरिएंट दैट वी आर मेकिंग. आमटीची दाल आणि आठवत नाही आहे मला.
I don't understand Marathi.
आमटी वरण भात.
Leave me now.
So just to give you the perspective, I don't know what's the time right now. Zara, can you tell us what's the time right now?
3:50.
1551 is the time right now. It's an angel number. एंजल नंबर है भाई, एंजल नंबर है दोस्तों।
जबरदस्ती
तो अभी हम यहाँ पे जो तूर दाल है जो हम अभी डीमार्ट से एकदम तात्कालिक लेके आए हैं, उसे हमने भिगने रख दी है सोख होने के लिए। अपना कोकम भी मस्त सोख हो गया है, पानी अब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है, हो जाएगा साथ में। तो अभी मुझे लगता है कि साइमन ज़रा ये बना रही है तो मैं साथ में आटा गूंद लेता हूँ फॉर द पूरन पोली। हाँ, क्योंकि इसको तो टाइम लगेगा ना। ओके, तो मैंने बोला कि पूरन पोली का मसाला आटा गूंदना है अभी। बट आई वाज कंफ्यूज कि पूरन पोली के आटे में क्या बेसन डलता है, आई डोंट नो, क्योंकि गुजरात में आके तो हर एक चीज़ में बेसन डलता है।
Shut up. No guys.
Yeah.
ये कुछ
So
भी बना-
now, obviously, we are going to watch our classic, everybody's beloved, No Words. अगर आपको ये नहीं पता है तो पता नहीं आप कौन से पत्थर के नीचे जी रहे हो, या तो आपको खाना नहीं बनाना आता है या आपकी मम्मी बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाती है। आई डोंट नो दैट मेड सेंस। मैं इतना इससे बोला क्योंकि इसमें ऐड चल रही है। Yeah. It's our Nisha auntie. Nisha auntie is going to teach us to make puran poli.
So basically we are making YouTube video with help of YouTube video.
I know how to make this. I have learned it from your itself. Okay, I am going right. आटा, हाँ, आटे की रेसिपी। रेगुलर आटा है, कोई ग्राम फ्लावर नहीं है, ठीक है। मोटा आधा आटा है तो मैदा मिलाने बोला है, हम फिर भी मैदा मिलाएंगे क्योंकि हमें किसी को भी इंटेस्टाइन की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तो प्रॉब्लम करवा देंगे।
हमें फिर भी नहीं होती।
क्योंकि हम टाइम रिस्ट्रिक्टेड फीडिंग करते हैं। ईट वॉट एवर बट नॉट whenever.
अच्छा मैंने बोला
हाँ।
whenever.
Because my research paper was on this, so we all know it.
And my research paper was on.
We are not discussing that. So Dhara has cooked this so well. Maybe if we can show it in the camera, which is safe. I don't know. Safety is the last thing that we think of. Oh, if you all would be here, you would be smelling this amazing thing, and also this another amazing thing. Can you guess? What is it, Dhara?
Elaichi powder.
Elaichi powder. And the final measurement that we have decided is 2 cups of wheat flour and 1 cup of another form of wheat flour. मैदा, हम सबका beloved मैदा. And we'll make a soft dough. अरे जरा बड़ी रही थी नीचे थी.
I took some ghee.
घी के अंदर गुड़ डाला है जरा.
सॉरी, घी के अंदर गुड़ डाल, घी
क्यों?
के अंदर पानी डाला और
हाँ।
उसके अंदर गुड़ डाला
मुझे नहीं पता ये रेसिपी.
और गुड़ डाला और इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे राइस फ्लोर। और ये जो बन गया है बहुत अच्छा बना है।
Yes.
लाइक इसकी बात कर रही हूँ मैं, ये जो इसको क्या बोलता है,
उकड़ीचे मोदक का
नहीं
पूरण.
स्टफिंग का ये जो है, जो भी है,
पूरण बोल.
ये जितना गाढ़ा है वॉट एवर इट इज, तो ये बहुत अच्छा बना है जिसके हम बॉल्स बनाएंगे। सो या,
तो
so Aryan is gonna make round balls of this. This is very hot and I cannot touch it. I just did. Anyway,
आटा रेडी है. इसमें थोड़ा सा घी लगा के इसको रेस्ट करने देंगे. सो आई डोंट नो, दैट्स योर थिंग. शी इज मेकिंग द राइस डो. दिस इज पाइपिंग हॉट ब्रो, दिस इज पाइपिंग हॉट.
બહુ બધું છે ને એના પ્રમાણે આટલું તો નહીં જોઈશે, થોડું વધારે જોઈશે, હે ને?
Yeah. You have to add. So these are the balls. You have to make many such. So the balls are ready and Dhara's atta is almost ready. Whether this is
But I
also what
don't know
Dhara
why
said.
it looks like kind of black. It should be like brown or white.
Anyways, so we did some troubleshooting, and Dhara
I-
came up. Dhara, yes, take your credits. I'm not going to steal it. So Dhara came up with a troubleshoot that it's because of this thing. This gave the color. So now our dal has cooked perfectly. The chana dal, yeah, in the cooker. Now we'll add all this dal again in it with a lot of good jaggery. Yeah. So the first modak is ready, which I have prepared. So what Dhara did was, she has made the dough, right? We just press it down, make this flat, and then we take a bowl of this, put it in the center, and just gently wrap it around. And if you feel that it is too much, like the excess,
No, you cannot. Why are you doing this?
I like it like that. Yeah, the modak is ready, and Dhara will, put the creases in. Where do I keep these? तो अभी धरा ने मोदक बना लिए हैं, लाइक पूरा सब कुछ करके मैं बॉयलर सेट कर रहा हूँ. तो यहाँ पे हमने पॉट में पानी ले लिया है. फिर अभी जब बॉयल होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा तभी इसके अंदर मैं ट्रिक करता हूँ, आप भी इस्तेमाल करें. मैं वाटी लेता हूँ और उसके ऊपर प्लेट लेता हूँ, उसको रख देता हूँ. आइडियली ये प्लेट नहीं होती है, ये होती है, ये डिश ऐसे रखता हूँ तो फिर मतलब वो रह जाते हैं. इसके ऊपर मोदक रख देंगे. वैसा नॉर्मल लोग होल्स वाले इस्तेमाल करते हैं, पर वो नहीं है अभी. सो वी हैव टू मैनेज विथ व्हाट वी हैव. सो फाइनली नाउ द उकडीचे मोदक आर डूइंग द उकड़ी, एंड दिस चना की दाल का बैटर इज ऑल्सो रेडी. इसको हम ऐसे डालेंगे चलनी में और फिर चलनी से छानेंगे, so that we get like this, like a very smooth paste, like a very smooth paste. Yes. फिर इसको हम रोटी के अंदर भरेंगे. काफ़ी थक गए हैं भाई, काफ़ी, बट ठीक है. Now I'm going to show you something very satisfying. Can you all see this? सब हो गया ऑलरेडी. This is so satisfying. Just look at it. It's like this process has taken like more than 15 to 20 minutes. But it's the hard work and love which goes into cooking which makes the food great. And the flavors might or might not be so nice. But why not? They will be, right? If I'm getting any background noise, it's because the cooler is on. Yeah. So we are done. We are like literally done. We have nothing left. We are taken everything out. And our puran is finally ready. Like just look at this. Like this is so smooth. This is like, oh my god. Like when we are going to put them into our chapatis, our podi, it will become so nice. Yeah, excited. Our one modak is out and we wanted to test it.
Not taste.
Not taste, test. English is one fine language.
English is not a language.
Then I would want to do the honors and cut. Ah! Okay. Nothing was, nobody was harm. Ajay Jara, please do the honors. Like how they can see.
Do you want me to cut it?
Yeah. Oh my god, that's soft. Is it soft?
Yeah.
The thing inside also is soft?
Yeah. It's gonna be like boom.
Oh my god.
अरे ना बहुत सारा बना
These have turned out amazing. All because of Dhara's hard work, nothing else. Like the insides, which we were thinking that they are too stiff, but after the process, amazing. Also, Dhara loves to make chapatis. So guess who's making puris?
It's not chapati.
Yeah, she'll be making chapati, then I'll be putting the puran.
अरे मैंने इन करने लोट पड़ता नहीं आता था बस
Like,
आलू परोठा
yeah, I was
तो
about to say.
नहीं
Oh, fati gaya.
क्या फायदा
So now I want to start with the process of making the varan, dal, amti dal, whatever. Two variations. So here I have taken the dal already. So now we'll put all this dal in our multi-purpose cooker. I have so many things are cooked in this way. Here goes our dal. So first we'll just make it very simple, which is for the varan, and then the other variation we'll make it with the kokam, the Marathi touch, right? We also decided, we were just thinking of making which curry, Zara?
I just forgot.
So-
I know the recipe.
Soul curry, because it's Maharashtrian, but let's forget it because
I don't have lesson.
we don't have any ingredients which are required for the process.
Mary is not.
Less one is what she means. So I put the dal in the water. Now I'm just going to add some ghee. And according to the recipes which I have watched, and also what I have heard from sources, which is my friends from the university, that varan is like very simple. It's supposed to be simple and not too much over the top, because it's a comfort food. So we are just going to put sufficient amount of haldi, so I think that's more than enough, and salt. So now I'm just thinking of making the balls for the puran. So just like slightly we'll make these balls. The atta is also ready. You see it's very soft atta. So finally I have taken this ball and I have flattened it out a little with just my hands. Put some flour. And now it's time for some ghee, just to make it nice and moist inside. And then we take the puran and we fill the puran inside. So then we coat it nicely in flour. We press it and make the bowl. It's turning out amazing. I did not expect even a bit of this. What is this happening right now? Can you all see it? It's so... Oh my god. What am I gonna do? I don't have any gas empty where I can cook it. Take some time. I am so shook right now because I have always cooked this dal and it's full, and I just wait for it to just break down. But when you do this, I don't know if you all can see, you all cannot see, but when you do this, it starts to break down. I have been cooking dal since 4 years now, okay? And this was the first time that I'm experiencing it. Astonishing. So our first pori is ready. Very nice and soft. I think the other poris will look even better. But this was, we made it in the beginning. Yeah. Now here goes our oil. And then go the pori. My god, just look at this pori. I can't believe this. I genuinely can't believe this. So finally our everything is ready. The rice I think is almost, yeah, it is cooked. So now our dal is also ready. It was already ready. Now we are going to do a vagnar, a quick vagnar. To put ghee in the same time. Vagnar is going to be just simple mirchi, rai, jeera, hing, and obviously our ingredient which is getting, बहुत घंटों की तपस्या से ये अपने आप को अब्सॉर्ब कर रहा है अपने अंदर से चीज़ पानी को, या सी मैं फटाफट से डाल रहा हूँ जीरा राई, थोड़ी सी हींग. नॉर्मली मैं चॉप करके डाला मिर्चियाँ, बट आज मैंने स्प्लिट करके डाले क्योंकि मैंने सारी रेसिपीज में देखा कि नॉर्मली स्प्लिट है. घी थोड़ा सा कम लग रहा है, नो तड़का के लिए वो गर्म होना चाहिए. बट ओके लेट्स गो. फटना शुरू होगा तभी डाल डालेंगे. We are not going to add all the dal because this is just half is for the varan and half is like this. क्या बोलता है? कोकम वाला. I might have done a mistake. I wasn't sure कि इसके जो सीड्स है वो डालने रहते हैं क्योंकि they are pretty soft. तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने सीड्स निकाले और ये जो ऊपर का रहता है सिर्फ वो डाला, उसके भी टुकड़े करके डाले. आई एम नॉट श्योर टुकड़े करने चाहिए थे कि नहीं. एनीवेज इट इज़ डन. अभी एक मैं ऐसे पूरा डाल रहा हूँ, पता चलेगा. फाइनली पता नहीं कितना दिखा कितना छूटा, पर एक बार किचन देख लो. पता नहीं क्यों काट रही है अभी.
इसमें डालने के लिए.
This is the kitchen, and now it's the time for showing the final display. Hold your, I don't know, whatever. Just let's go. Just look at this plate, guys. So satisfying. We have our softest puri. We have our dal. 2 types of dal. This is just varan, and this is the one with kokum. This is our rai. These are our ukdiche modak. They are brown because the dough was brown. This is some milk and then chas. Guys, in words, I can't describe how delicious. Stuffing is a little bit on the stiffer side. But it's great for the first time. Just look at this skin oozing the good. Oh my god. I made the whole video of trying the whole plate. That's not me. Maybe in the future. But please try it. please try everything that we did today. Enjoy life. And if you can't do what we are doing, keep watching me. It's free. It takes me time, effort, and space in my phone. But for you, it just takes a little bit of data. So, bye bye.